In this example, we'll see how doubling the side length of a square affects its perimeter and area. Here's the problem. A square has side 5 centimeters. Each side is doubled to 10 centimeters. By what factor do the perimeter and the area change? The diagram shows a square with side 5 centimeters on the left and a larger square with side 10 centimeters on the right. First, let's find the original perimeter and area. The original perimeter is 4 times 5 equals 20 centimeters. The original area is 5 squared equals 25 squares cm. Now find the new perimeter and area after doubling the side to 10 centimeters. The new perimeter is 4 times 10 equals 40 centimeters. The new area is 10 squared equals 100 square cm. Now calculate the factor of change for perimeter. The factor for perimeter is 40 divided by 20 equals 2. Now calculate the factor of change for area. The factor for area is 100 divided by 25 equals 4. Notice that the area factor is the square of the scale factor. 2 squared equals 4. When you multiply the side length of a square by a factor, the perimeter multiplies by that factor, but the area multiplies by the square of that factor.